Chalcolithic age, use of metals. Gradually यानी धीरे धीरे the early humans began to use copper along with stone tools. This happened around 6000 years ago. ये ऐसा 6,000 साल पहले हुआ. And this period is called Chalcolithic age. और इसको Chalcolithic age बोला गया. Also known as Copper Stone Age. इसको Copper Stone Age के नाम से जाना गया. Starting from 4000 to 2000 BCE, copper came into use since it was stronger as compared to stone. This Chalcolithic age is important since it marks the shift from the use of stones to metals. Wonderful to know. A tribe is a group of 2 to 3 generations living together in a small settlements or villages. Hunting, gathering, farming, herding, and fishing are the occupation of tribal people. Most of the agriculture work is done by the tribal women. Women also thresh, husk, and grind grains. A large herd of animals is led by men. Both men and women clean animals and milk them, make pots, baskets, tools, and herds. They also actively participate in singing, dancing, and decorating their herds. In tribes, leaders are usually men who may be old or experienced or young, brave warriors or priests. Old women are respected for their wisdom and experience. Tribes follow their own cultural tradition. They have their own music, stories, language, and paintings. They have their own gods and goddesses. Tribal people regard land, forest, grassland, and water as their wealth. They are shared and used by everybody together. There are no visible differences between the rich and the poor. Case study Mehergarh. Mehergarh is located in a fertile plain. मेहरकोट जो है वो फर्टाइल प्लेन में लोकेटेड है नियर द बोलन पास इन बलूचिस्तान पाकिस्तान. इट प्रोवाइडेड एविडेंसेस ऑफ द अर्लीस्ट एग्रीकल्चर. ये हमको बहुत सारे सबूत देते हैं अर्लीस्ट एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में. एंड pastoral communities in South Asia. Mehergarh is one of the oldest Neolithic sites which had continuous occupation, जिसका continuous निरंतर occupation था. Archaeologists found evidences of many kinds of animal bones from the earliest levels. Bones of wild animals such as deer are found. हड्डियाँ जो कि हिरण की थी वो पाई जाती थी. In later levels, bones of sheep and goats are found. And in still later levels, cattle bones are most common. It shows that these animals were kept by the people. Rectangular houses are also found at Mehergarh. रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में जो हाउसेस थे वो मेहरगढ़ में पाए जाते थे. ईच हाउस कंसिस्ट ऑफ 4 or more compartments. Some sections may have also been used for storage. Several burial sites have been found at मेहरगढ़. burial sites मतलब जिसको गड्ढे में burial करना. ये मेहरगढ़ का पिक्चर है. Material remains of the Stone Age जैसे कि have been found in the northeastern states in Thepprongri, Mismagiri, Selbagiri, and Rongrang Alagiri. In Mizoram and Manipur also, remains of stone tools have been found. Daujali herding in Assam is an important Neolithic site. Pestles and mortars, polished stone tools, and some pots have been excavated from this site. इस साइट में से पेस्टल्स और मोटर्स भी पाए गए थे. कौन से साइट में? दाउजली हर्डिंग इन असम में. These findings point towards the probability that people were growing grains and using these grains to prepare food. Tools made of fossil wood have also been found here. Another important find is a stone, jaded, which most probably was brought from China. जो स्टोन था नाम का जेडेट वो कहाँ संभावित कहाँ से पाया गया था? चाइना से. In other parts of the world during that time, one of the most famous Neolithic sites was Çatalhöyük in Turkey. It was a carefully planned town which used things brought from faraway lands such as shells from the Mediterranean Sea, cowries from the Red Sea and so on. इस प्रकार से हमारा ये चैप्टर ख़त्म हुआ.